Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you step-by-step guide to permanently delete your Instagram account. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to go to your Instagram. Now press on your account and go to menu. Click on Account Center. Press on Personal Details. Here you can see the option of Account Ownership and Control. Click on this. Now click on Deactivation or Deletion. Select your account. Now press on Delete Account. Now press on Continue. That's it. So this is the step-by-step guide to permanently deleting your Instagram account. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.